how to fix no service on iPhone. So one of the ways that you can do to fix that problem is by just going ahead and swipe up and make sure that you turn on the airplane mode, okay? And after 10 seconds, just turn it off, and that should fix that problem. If you still face that same issue, what we're gonna do, we're gonna hold our right finger to our left finger, and we're gonna hold volume up or volume down, it doesn't matter, just hold them for a few kind of a seconds, and afterwards you're gonna see like a swipe, swipe kind of a thing, like a call, okay? And you're gonna swipe right, and you're gonna restart your iPhone right away, okay? And resetting your iPhone might actually help with your service. And if you're still facing that same issue, what we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead to our settings, okay? And from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead to my general, and next step, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna scroll a little bit down into transfer or reset iPhone, okay? And from here, I'm gonna click reset, okay? And I'm gonna reset all the network settings. I'm gonna enter my passcode. It's gonna reset my network settings right away from scratch, and that should fix that problem, okay? And if that didn't work out for you, what you're gonna do, you're gonna take out your semi card, okay? And if you took your semi card and insert it again, that should fix that problem of not having that service on your iPhone. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.